In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove password security from a PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Before we start, note that you'll need Adobe Acrobat Pro. The free reader can't change document security settings. Go ahead and open your PDF in Acrobat Pro. With the file open, head to the Tools view at the top. Look for the Protect feature. Depending on your version, it may appear as Protect a PDF or simply Protect. Click that to open the Protect panel on the right. Depending on your workspace layout, tools may appear as a tab across the top or as an icon in the left panel. If you don't spot it right away, use the search field in the Tools view to look for Protect. Acrobat will highlight the correct panel for you. Inside the Protect panel, choose Remove Security. In some builds, the button is labeled Remove Password. Both take you to the same place. Acrobat will display the security settings for this document. There are two kinds of protection you might see. An open password requires people to enter a password before the PDF will even open. A permissions password, sometimes called an owner or restrictions password, controls whether someone can print, edit, or copy content. If your goal is to remove the open password, uncheck the option that says Require a password to open the document. If you want to lift editing and printing restrictions, uncheck Restrict editing and printing of the document. Make sure you review your choices so you only remove what you intend. When you confirm those changes, Acrobat may prompt you to enter the existing password. This step verifies that you're authorized to make the change. Type the current password for the kind of protection you're removing and proceed. Acrobat won't remove security unless the correct password is supplied. Click OK to apply the updated settings. Finally, save the PDF so the changes are written to the file. You can use Save to overwrite the existing file, or Save As to create an unprotected copy while keeping the original secured version. After saving, the PDF will no longer require a password to open, and any editing or printing restrictions you chose to remove will be gone the next time the document is accessed. That's all there is to it. Keep in mind that password removal should only be done when you have the right to modify the document, especially in workplace or shared environments. If you manage sensitive information, store the unprotected file securely. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you streamline your workflow in Acrobat Pro.